Good morning everybody and welcome to today's video. If you watched the last video I posted my favorite gluten-free foods, then you would know that oatmeal is a staple food that I have at least once, probably twice a day, every day. So today I'm going to share with you 3 oatmeal recipes that you can use to spice up your everyday oatmeal and are also kid-friendly, so you can make them for your family. Let's go ahead and get started. Since I'm typically in a hurry, and probably you are too, I'm going to be using quick cooking oats for all of my recipes today. So the first thing we're going to do is put a half a cup of these oats into a bowl, add 1 cup of water, and microwave for 60 to 90 seconds, depending on your microwave. Oatmeal we're going to make today is an apple cinnamon oatmeal. So while our oatmeal is in the microwave, we're going to cut a Fuji apple into small bite-sized pieces. Okay, so now I have half of a Fuji apple diced up into very non-uniform pieces. I have my half a cup of instant oats, fully prepared, and I have some cinnamon. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon over these apples and then mix about half into the oatmeal. Okay, so we put some cinnamon over all of the apple that we cut up. We put about half of that into the oatmeal and mixed it up. So we've got some good chunky oatmeal already going. All we're gonna do now is put the rest of the apples on top and we'll be ready to eat. Okay, so we now have our first oatmeal recipe finished, apple cinnamon oatmeal, and that took us maybe 5 minutes. So super easy, very tasty, lots of texture, great for kids. Our next oatmeal recipe is gonna be some PB&J oats, and we're gonna take it to the next level by making our jelly some strawberry banana jelly. So first thing we're gonna do is cut up some strawberries and a little bit of a banana. All right, so we've chopped up some strawberry, chopped up some banana, or sliced it up. Now we're going to add a tablespoon of peanut butter to our already cooked oatmeal. If your oatmeal is a little bit runny when it comes out of the microwave, adding this peanut butter will thicken it back up. All right, so now that we have incorporated the peanut butter into our oats, we're just gonna top it off with the strawberries and banana that we have already sliced. Another quick recipe, peanut butter and jelly oats with strawberry banana jelly. Great for kids, great on time, and very sweet. Our third and final oatmeal recipe for today is going to be a bit more savory. So we have added some cooking oil, our quick cooking oats, a tablespoon of garlic, paprika, and taco seasoning to a pan on the stove, bringing that to a boil and then letting it simmer until it reaches a consistency that we are happy with. We're gonna then top that with salsa and reduced fat cheddar cheese and have ourselves a little Fiesta oatmeal bowl. We now have our third and final recipe, a savory Mexican Fiesta oatmeal bowl. I tried a bite of just the oats while it was in the pan just to see where the consistency was at, and the garlic is surprisingly delicious with the oatmeal. I mean, I do like garlic, so if you're a fan of garlic, you're gonna really like this, I think. I love Mexican food, so this isn't surprising that this oatmeal recipe really spoke to me. So I hope that you guys found these 3 oatmeal recipes helpful. I think your kids will really like them. They're all pretty short on time, or they're all pretty good for you if you are short on time. I know I am short on time, and these recipes allow for me to be in a hurry, but not have to give up taste and not have to spend all my calories or all my macros on one meal. For this one in particular, you can just add what is necessary for you to reach your goal. So maybe a little less cheese. I used reduced fat cheese, maybe a little less avocado, or whatever you want to do. Easily modifiable. With the peanut butter, also really modifiable. And the fruit, you can always use less or use more. So hopefully you guys liked these. Comment down below and let me know what your favorite oatmeal recipe is. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.